About this item: accessories included: 5. Smooth gliding drawers, 30. Dividers for arbitrary partitioning, 1. Defibrillator holder, 1. Slide out tray, 1. Large storage bin, 1. Height adjustable 4-pole, 2. Trash bins, 1. Medical sundry with lid, 1. CPR board, 1. Power strip with 3 outlets, 1. Oxygen tank holder, and 4. Anti-static casters with 2 locks. Easy to clean and move. The material of our medical rolling cart is ABS plastic, making this trolley cart with wheels very lightweight and easy to clean. You can effortlessly move the medical cart from room to room using the stainless steel guardrail and smooth rolling caster wheels. Ideal size for all locations, measuring at 23L, x 18.75W, x 37H. This tool carts with wheels and drawers is compact enough for busy places, but also spacious enough for storing equipment and other accessories. The drawers and bins are extremely useful for emergency cares. Additional outlets: this cart with wheels contains 1 power strip with 3 extra outlets, so you can connect additional devices, tools, emergency equipment, and crash cart accessories to the trolley cart. The extra long orange power strip can be extended up for long distance usage. 1-year warranty. With 1-year manufacturer warranty, our professional customer service team is here to assist you with any questions you